Hello and welcome to another informative session on the world of maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're exploring two key types of maintenance: corrective and emergency maintenance. This video will help you understand the differences, pros and cons, and the role each plays in the smooth operation of any facility. We'll also briefly touch upon how to reduce the costs and optimize the functionality of both types of maintenance. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned because this video is just for you. Let's dive right in. We're going to talk about two types of maintenance that are responses to faults or issues with equipment: corrective maintenance and emergency maintenance. What sets them apart is the scale of the problem. Corrective maintenance is all about identifying problems that come up during inspections, preventive maintenance tasks, or work orders. These issues typically don't impact the health or viability of a facility and its employees. Let's say a maintenance technician does a routine inspection on a tenant's room and finds a leaking pipe. That technician will then perform corrective maintenance on the pipe, even though the initial inspection wasn't focused on plumbing. On the flip side, we have emergency maintenance. This kicks in when an equipment or facility problem poses a significant threat to safety, profitability, or the overall integrity of the institution. Unlike corrective maintenance, you can often eliminate most emergency maintenance scenarios with an effective preventive maintenance program. But let's be real, these threats can't be entirely eliminated. That's why an emergency maintenance plan is a must-have for most, if not all, organizations. Most facilities need both a corrective maintenance and an emergency maintenance program, but there's no need for both programs to be similarly specific or drawn out. Corrective maintenance often happens during the course of other work, while emergency maintenance programs should be as detailed as possible to avoid risk to employee and organizational health. Let's take a closer look at the differences between corrective and emergency maintenance. Corrective maintenance is work that takes place when issues are discovered during another task, like a preventive maintenance task or work order. The cost is usually low and can save between 10 to 30%. You'll need maintenance software for scheduling, a maintenance scheduler if you're a larger organization, and preventive maintenance checklists. The pros: it increases the lifespan of equipment and optimizes maintenance and resource planning. The cons: it can be expensive to keep up over the long term, and it's labor-intensive due to constant maintenance tasks. Emergency maintenance, on the other hand, is a type of reactive maintenance aimed at preventing threats to a facility's employees, property, or viability. The trigger could be an automated response or a human request. The cost is medium to high, and the savings depend on the effectiveness of your preventive maintenance program and the types of possible emergencies. You'll need maintenance software for work orders, a system for automated shutoff or intervention, and defined emergency maintenance scenarios. The pros: it diagnoses and fixes threats to employee safety, organization property, and public opinion. It can also be low cost if implemented with a solid preventive maintenance program. The cons: it's only used in emergency scenarios, making it difficult to see the return on investment, and there can be significant consequences if performed poorly or inadequately. So there you have it, a deep dive into corrective and emergency maintenance. Both are crucial for the smooth operation of any facility, but they each have their own unique roles and requirements. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the key concepts of corrective and emergency maintenance, their pros and cons, and their roles in the smooth operation of any facility. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and stay tuned.